Hi everyone, raise your hand if this happened to you. You go to empty your trash or grab a file you accidentally deleted 2 minutes ago and the recycle bin is gone. Like completely vanished from your desktop. It's a heart-sinking moment, right? It's like walking into your house and realizing someone moved all your furniture while you were sleeping. Don't worry, you aren't losing it. And your files aren't necessarily gone forever. Whether a Windows update decided to clean up your desktop or you accidentally toggled a setting. I'm going to show you how to find it and more importantly, how to get your stuff back if you find out the bin was already empty. Stick around until the end because method 6 is basically a time machine for your data. If you ever had an iconic just disappear on your computer, drop a comment below and let me know your survival story. And hey, hit that subscribe button to keep your digital life safe. Method 1. The setting toggle. Let's start with the most common reason. It's simply hidden. Windows has a specific toggle for desktop icons, and sometimes it gets switched off during an update or by a straight click. Just right-click any empty space on your desktop and hit Personalize. Hit over the themes on the left. You see desktop icon settings. You'll see a little checkbox for the recycle bin. If it's unchecked, click it, hit apply, and boom, it's back from the dead. It's usually that simple, but if that box is already checked and you still don't use it, we need to dig a bit deeper. Method 2. Quick search. If you don't want to mess with settings and just need to see what's inside the bin right now, use the search bar. This is the fastest way to bypass a missing icon. You can also type it directly into the address bar of any folder you have open. It's a built-in shortcut that works even if the desktop is a total mess. Method 3. If you're already digging through your folder looking for a lost file, you don't even need the desktop icon. You can force the sidebar to show your hidden system folder. Open up any folder and look at the sidebar on the left. If you right-click the empty space in that sidebar and check Show All Folders, the recycle bin will appear right there in the list. It's super handy for dragging and dropping files directly into the trash without minimizing your windows. Method 4. World's built-in safety net. Now, what if you were looking for the bin because a Word doc vanished after a crash? Word actually has its own hidden bin. Go to File, Info, Manage Document, and click Recover Unsaved Documents. Look for files ending in ASD. Those are your autosave drafts. Double-click one and save it immediately. Word autosaves every 10 minutes. So this is a total lifesaver for sudden power cuts or crashes. Method 5. Windows File History. If you turn on Windows File History earlier, recover is a breeze. This is for those moments where you deleted something a few days ago and realized your mistake too late. Right-click the folder where your file used to live and select Properties. Then the Previous Versions tab. Pick a backup from before the incident and hit Restore. If this is currently off, go enable it in the control panel right now. It's worth the 5 minutes of setup. Method 6. The ultimate fix. Alright, let's get serious. What if you find a recycle bin that is empty? Or you used Shift+Delete to wipe the file permanently? This is where the standard Windows trick fails. You need the big gun. This is the tool I keep in my digital emergency kit because it finds stuff that Windows forgets. It's basically a search party for your data. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Download and scan host grab Drecov from the official site. The free trio lets you scan your drive first to see if your files are actually there before you do anything else. Step 2. Select and search. Select the drive where your files used to be. The quick scan is great for stuff you just lost. But if it's been a while, then deep scan will find things you forgot you even deleted. Use the filter to look specifically for documents or photos to save time. Step 3. Recover safely. Here is the golden rule. Never save the recovered file back to the same drive. If you're recovering from your main C drive, save the file to a USB stick or a different partition. You don't want to accidentally overwrite the very data you're trying to save. Stay back up. There you go. From finding a lost icon to rescuing a file from the digital void, you're all set. Let's do a quick recap. Check the desktop icon settings. If the bin is missing, use the search bar for a quick 30 seconds fix. Try words, recover unsaved documents for crashes. Use file history if you have backups. Use PandaOffice Drecov for the tricky cases like emptied, bins, or Shift+Delete. Finally, every once in a while, export your important files or back them up to the cloud. And how the future looks, you'll thank you for it. If this video helped you save your project, give us a like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments which methods work for you.